Okay, kids, we're going to have some fun here. We're going to be making some Chairman's Reserve ribs that I took to the butcher. And I had the butcher take the ribs and cut them this way. They're all pretty even. I pulled the membrane off. Okay, these are going to be cooked on the Mac grill, and they're going to be cooked at 275 for about an hour and a half. Then we're going to come back out. We're going to cut them into little nuggets, put them in a pan with some secret goodies. So let's start with the sweet money. And then we're going to hit them with a little sweet money hot. The reason why I'm putting the hot there is that I want something to fight through the sauce. And so I want that heat not to be dominant, but I want it to be a factor in the sauce. More sweet money. We're going to get the sides too. Sweet money has won just about every major contest. I don't know how many times since it came out, but one really famous cook said that if you're not using sweet money, you're either lying or losing. Almost ready to go outside. Maybe just give it one little dusting of hot here. We're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna go out and put it on the smoker. Okay, let's put these on the grill. Put it on this rack because it's gonna be easy. Spread them out a little bit. Look at these beauties. Go in and do some magic. Okay, they've been over an hour. Here's the biggest one right here. And it's 175, which is great. This one should be a little bit less. More, I mean. 170. Okay. First thing, cut in between the bones. In the pan. Okay, this can be really fun. Then we're going to doctor them up. A lot like how we make ribs on the competition circuit. We're going to cover them after we doctor them. And we're going to check them in about a half hour. I want them to be around 208, 209 internal temp, but I really want them I want them so tender that you don't need teeth. First thing, this is kind of similar to how people make pork belly burn ends. I refuse to make pork belly burn ends anymore. I was making them years ago. Too many people make them. So let's take a cube of butter. Take some honey. Now, brown sugar. Light coating, but we're going to stir it up. So make sure everybody gets some. Every piece gets some. Then some grannies. And one last thing. Some sweet money hot. Even as you can get it. Make sure you get the butter kind of spread out good too. Okay, we got this set to 208. I'm going to take one of the biggest ones. Just get a little idea on the probe. So now, I'll see you in an hour, and these things are going to be so exciting. Exciting, I don't use that word often. So let's go get them. Adios. Okay. See you in an hour. Okay. Okay, let's see how we did. I think we did well as I load this tray up. Gonna do one layer. Do a little rib pyramid here. Just get a nice little glaze. You can set it if you want on the heat again. I don't want to. I'm really happy with how these look. And the final bunch. There you go. There's an appetizer for the big game. Big Poppa's rib nuggets. I don't want to call them McNuggets, but nice bone-in ribs. They're fabulous. Thanks for watching. Check us out, Big Poppa Smokers on YouTube, cookingwithbigpoppa.com, Big Poppa Smokers on Instagram, Facebook, you name it.